This is the recipe. Now, my mom normally will make this. It's kind of a Mediterranean salad. I'm gonna call it the COVID salad for a couple reasons. It's gonna have raw onion in it. If you guys are wearing these onion breath filtering devices that the government now requires in some ways, this is perfect for that. Onion is supposed to have some sort of penicillin or antimicrobial properties, antimicrobial properties. It's gonna have lemon juice in it, cucumber, onion, and tomatoes, and a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. It's a really good, simple salad. It's really tasty. The juice from this, you could be slamming it, you could be taking shots of it. It's just really a spectacular little deal for you. So your onions, I'm just gonna cut half an onion and then go lengthwise here. Flip them around. Remember to keep your fingers out of the way and you won't chop them off. When you get to the end, turn it on its side. And that's pretty much your onion. You can break it apart, but you're gonna want these like little cubes. And it doesn't have to be, I mean, this isn't a Michelin rated restaurant yet. Shout out to the people recommending me to the Michelin guide. Then you're gonna take cucumber. You're gonna half it and do the same thing. You're gonna put little slits. Come back, keep your fingers out of the way, you crazy finger putters. And again, you're just going for like these little cubes or chunks. So I halved it and then I made these slivers. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't gotta spend 2 hours on this. This should be really a 5-minute salad. A little tip for the chef. Woo. Cucumber is awesome for those of you not eating enough cucumber. Easy to grow. Easy to cut, wash, clean. This is another anti-inflammatory. Don't know what it does for the COVID. It doesn't really stink you up. This is all I got right now are these organic cherry tomatoes, but they're gonna work for me. Watch, you'll see. Normally, we'll take like a beefsteak tomato or a regular tomato and cube that or try to cube that. But you know, it's okay. It's okay to substitute these nice little cherry or grape tomatoes instead of a beefsteak tomato. No one's counting, no one's watching, no one's videotaping. You're not gonna get in trouble with the tomato police. So this is basically it right here. Salt them up. Now here's another tip. I will put my spices before I add my olive oil and lemon juice. Now let me tell you why. You can always add more afterwards, but once you salt and you get that lemon and olive, I mean, it soaks in to your spices. My mom will add dry mint when she makes this. Hers looks prettier and she probably spends a little bit more time. The other thing I want to talk to you about is peppering. Now this is fresh black pepper. This isn't that stale little pieces and chunks of brown paper they put into your grocery pepper boxes. This is the Kirkland black pepper. These are real peppercorns, whole peppercorns, and you know they're gonna stay fresher until you grind them. Now most people will put a little splash of pepper. We don't do that around here. You got to blanket your food. You gotta blanket your food with pepper. You gotta get used to this. If it's too spicy for you, pepper is great. It's good for digestion. It helps with blood flow. The Romans allegedly bankrupted themselves buying pepper and luxury stuff. So pepper's a real winner. Check it out. A little bit more salt. So I'm gonna hit that with the lemon. You could use lime too, but lemon is the more traditional. Good olive oil. Costco olive oils are rated to be some of the best. They're not putting toe juice or whatever they're cutting people's olive oil with. I keep a little extra jar by the stovetop. And this is ready to eat. I mean, this is a fresh COVID special salad. You already got the equipment to prevent that onion smell. It's gonna keep you healthy, it's gonna keep you young, good for your vitality. So simple, so easy. Extra fiber, good vitamins into your diet. I do it because I love you. Please like and subscribe.